Ladies, gents, good afternoon from Europe, good morning, good evening, whatever you are. April 3rd, Friday, first Friday of the month, meaning non-farm payrolls day. We have like 5 minutes to go. I'm going to monitor what is going on. But don't think non-farm payroll is going to move the market much. Eventually, I think it might be used as a good excuse to manipulate a little bit more ahead of the US cash open, right? What we have? We are after Chinese PMI 43. Expectations were below 40. Previous one 26.5. Of course, the Chinese guys, they can print whatever they want. I wouldn't care, but looks like market cares, right? So that's the thing. Okay, I don't have to care, but it doesn't mean that I'm not gonna follow what the market is doing. That's the very important. Then European, and is extremely weak. Euro is lower. Euro is trading below 108 right now. The Italian, the worst ever print, 17.4. German 31.7. Overall, final PMI services in Europe 26.4. When it comes to the UK, 34.5, 34.7 market expectations. A little bit better retail sales, but probably because of everyone panic buying, right? Anyway, what we are waiting for? We are waiting for the non-farm payrolls. Market is looking for minus 100,000. Unemployment rate 3.8 and average hourly earnings 0.2. Now, probably is out of the date, meaning not everything when it comes to the coronavirus is gonna to be influenced that number. The next one that's gonna be very interesting. And later today, after the US cash open, we are going to have final PMI services, ISM non-manufacturing PMI. So guys, still we have like 2 minutes to go. We know the expectations. Dollar is stronger, and I'm looking for a euro dollar cable again. Very good analysis yesterday when it comes to the cable and euro pound, for example, right? Oil is going higher, but that's what we discussed, guys. By the rumors are the facts. Pre-OPEC pump started yesterday by Trump with the fake news, but something was in the background. So right now, some money being involved. I'm staying out when it comes to the oil ahead of the weekend. A little bit of the short when it comes to the gold. So let's have a look what we are going to get, and we are going to prepare ourselves like this. All right. It's all about the dollar. Okay. And the one thing, weakness I'm going to use as a selling opportunity on both euro dollar and the cable. So let's have a look. Where we have some kind of the supply in both cases. When it comes to the euro dollar, it's something around 108.60, right? Or eventually towards 109, right? So let me show you what I'm talking about. Either this or this, right? When it comes to the pound, I would love to see the close below those two levels, right? But it could be, we cannot rule it out that the market will try to range, and we might see something similar we've seen previous week, attempt to go higher in case with some profit taking, because dollar been buying all the week, right? So I'm not gonna be surprised to see the sharp move against the dollar for a while, because it might be simply the profit taking, and then again I would like to see something like this. So guys, let's have a look what we have. Good luck to everyone. And minus 700. 7 times worse than what market was expecting, right? Market was expecting 100, got 700. So very, 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 very weak. And well, we'll see. Some dollar weakness in place. But again, as I mentioned, I'm looking to fade any kind of the move against the dollar. All right, just to be perfectly fine. looks like market was trying to push through 108. Unfortunately, didn't work out, and looks like dollar is getting stronger. Watching very carefully this development here on the cable. I'm gonna to watch that from the early chart perspective, right? If we are going to, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. If we are going to manage to close through those levels, right? So if we are going to manage to break that consolidation we've seen all the week, okay. If we are going to manage to break that, that's gonna be significant development in my opinion. So meaning that the continuation of the dollar strength towards the end of the week may take place. So somewhere closer towards another USD data announcement or something around the London fix. That's where I'm gonna to be interested very, very, very much when it comes to the cable, right? Let's have a look what we have from the Nasdaq perspective. Well, the indices were trying to follow the oil, so we have to be, we have to be careful when it comes to the indices because of the oil. So I don't wanna be short indices and stay over the weekend, especially with this oil pump right here, right now. Morgan Stanley says doesn't see US economic activity returning to its pre-virus level until the end of the 2021. Guys, 2021, end of. Average early earnings beat, so from the dollar perspective it's better, 0.4 versus 0.2 expectations, and unemployment rate huge miss, 4.4, 3.8 expectations. So overall, trying to summarize one more time, non-farm payrolls minus 700,001, expectations 100K, so 7 times worst. Previous 275. Unemployment rate 4.4, expectations 3.8, previous 3.5. Private non-farm payrolls minus 713,000, previous expectations minus 163,000, previous 242. Participation rate 62.7, expectation 63.3, previous 63.4, and average hourly earnings 0.4, market expectations 0.2, previous 0.3. So this one is dollar positive, right? So probably that's why we see this dollar move right here, right now. On the other hand, guys, again, indices might be related to what is going on the crude, right? So crude is looking good right here, right now. I'm going to try to, after our meeting and before the cash open, I will try to watch USD CAD, all right? Because this market, this oil move might influence the Canadian dollar, all right? Not necessarily, guys, not necessarily via US dollar, right? I'm going to watch via Aussie or Kiwi, just to have to not be exposed that much to the risk, right? Just to the oil. So in that case, I'm going to watch versus other commodity currencies, all right? I will check it, and if something interesting, I will record it. All right, guys, be careful out there. Still 1 hour to go when it comes to the US cash open, all right? So not forcing myself to do anything. As you can see, the pound is fighting at the bottom of the consolidation, right? Euro is trying to get back above 108. So a little bit of the ups and downs. One more time, don't try to rush and buy the dollar, because we might see some profit taking ahead of the weekend. Dollar been buying whole week. Some profit taking could take place. So it might be that the dollar will get back into the strength during the second part of the US session. All right? Guys, stay safe, stay home, don't be trapped on the market. See you around. Thank you very much and goodbye.